Hello my friends around the globe, welcome to my channel. Today it seems it is the day for Floki Inu. This coin have made at least 29% in 24 hours, and this one, it has passed almost every coin in the last 24 hours. Floki Inu is one of the coins that it is having one of the best analysis, as you can see it from here. So I'm going to take you through. Also you can see that we have got good momentums in Floki Inu. So if at all you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any video from Simo Crypto. Let's jump into the video. In the 24 hours, Floki Inu is going viral because it has made at least 30% in just few hours back. So right now, when you go inside Floki Inu, just on the market cap, it has 3.3 billions. When you go to FDV, you can see they have 3.4 billions. But most importantly, when you come to 24-hour volume, that means it is the money that they have used in 24 hours. They have used at least in trading 1.06 billions in just 24 hours. Let me show you something that you have to understand in Floki Inu. Dogecoin is one of the biggest coins when it comes to meme coins. But when you see its performance in the last 24 hours, it has 781 millions in just 24 hours. But Floki Inu, right now it has surpassed it. It is almost in 1.06 billions. So this one is a very good news for Floki Inu and for you Floki armies. Going back to analysis, you can see that Floki Inu have been moving so well in the last 24 hours. But majorly, it broke this resistance. It was so huge for a very long time, as I showed you. So this one, it tried to break it, but it failed. So the second time it tried, but it failed. Then the first time it went viral. On the very another hand, you have to realize that Floki Inu is moving in like a cap way. When you see it very clearly, you can see that this one seems to be a very good cap. And when you see it like this, then automatically, if we want to understand exactly where Floki will stop, then we come here, measure from there, then we put it somewhere. So if at all we want to see, almost it will have removed 2 zeros. This one is very good news if at all you want to enter in Floki Inu. You can see also the moving average is supporting it so well. So much as the volume is still low, but at least it is showing the momentum that in time it is going to go up, because you can see the volume is not that good, but we expect the volume to go viral. So right now, the good thing with Floki, at least for it, you go it for spot, and we have got very good news for spot ETFs in the market cap. So this is the best time for you to enter in Floki and make some good profits. So if at all you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon. Don't forget to share. Bye for today. Good luck.